Good morning.
It's only us. I picked up Kate this morning. As you can see,
I'm buried under yarn.
Yeah. And look at the car. That's crazy. The boot, I had to drive with the boot open, so that's kind of dodgy. But we're just here at the courthouse. We're getting ready to set everything up. We have a lot of boxes to take in. And oh, there's Owen. Let's go. We're just setting up. We've got everything up the stairs. And we're just trying to make it look pretty for people coming in. And Kate is doing such a good job.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, she's very good at this. So look at the way she has the colours all in a nice gradient.
So
look at that.
Look at that.
That's subconscious. What skills you have.
Oh, well, we have to have some. Life of a dyer.
What do you think of our display?
I think it's rather lovely.
Me too.
Yep. Yarny heaven.
Indeed. Well, Kate, what are you eating?
Pecan pie.
Yummy.
Breakfast was a long time ago, so.
It was, surely. I've got a wee mince pie and cream. And we've got everything set out. It looks really good, I think. But
Just waiting for the punters.
We're just waiting for some people to come.
It was the one that was from Loch Gale. It was a few years ago now.
Uh-huh.
And I think it was it a blue textile and something else?
Yep.
And I think the colours are lovely. Like
On
it's
that
very
dark
supple.
base. Yeah. What's the pattern?
It's a Calara shawl.
That's nice, I like that.
Ambo
brand.
Ah, yeah, very
Yeah.
nice.
So I'm not great at shawls. I'm not great at wearing them. But that's quite a shallow one.
A
so
nice
it's-
long one.
Yeah, and it's long.
Do you mind if
Yeah,
I try it on?
of course.
Oh yeah, I like that. I should
Yeah.
dye. I haven't launched this in the shop yet, but I'm going to be launching it in March, and I was thinking of dyeing some of it. And now that I've seen this, I'm thinking, yeah, I really should dye some of it because that is nice. I was going to do some in the indigo that.
So that would have been, because that's quite it's quite dark and moody. So
Yeah,
that's like
yeah.
that's on the dark base. That would have been
Yeah.
the dark base.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really nice to see it knitted up and all.
Yeah.
Because some of those batches were so small that even I didn't really
Yeah,
knit much in them.
Yeah.
But
Well,
yeah, that's lovely.
I got it kind of for sentimental reasons because my dad is from kind of the Clough-Mills, Newton Crumlin area.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
Loch Gale's not that far, so that's why I.
Class.
That's why I
Oh,
got
thanks
it.
for bringing that.
So yeah, I thought I'd
That's
have
a wee,
to bring
like, a wee
it.
trip down memory.
Yeah, it is.
That's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, because I was trying to remember, and I was looking at your website, see if I could find it, and I couldn't find it, so I couldn't remember what the actual. But no, it's held up very well as well.
Oh, it looks really good. Yeah.
So
Class.
Stop it.
Anyway.
I don't.
Hello. I've just done the first day of the pop-up. I was really pleased with how it went, and it was lovely to see some of you patrons there, so that was very lovely. Sold a good bit of yarn, and Kate was there helping me, which was super helpful. Kate of Hawthorn Cottage I can't talk anymore, I've been talking all day. Kate of Hawthorn Cottage Craft was there helping me, so I'll link her YouTube channel below. And we had great chats and so many ideas bouncing off each other. It was really good. There's Timmy. What did you think of the pop-up shop, Timmy?
I thought it looked good, yeah.
Yeah?
I assume you got some photos of it.
Yeah. Timmy thought no one was going to turn up, but people did turn up.
Yeah, I couldn't believe it. There's more knitters on the Causeway Coast than I thought.
There you are. So that was so nice, and a few of you turned up in your woolly mammoth knits, so that was so nice. It filled me with happiness. So now I'm going to settle in, have a cup of tea, share a cookie with Timmy, and I'm going to work a little bit on maybe the socks or the Dagmar. I'm not sure which one. Or maybe I'll start a new project because I had so many ideas today talking to everyone, so I'm ready to cast on another PS shawl, another stocking pip beret. Oh, just one of everything. I'm ready to cast on one of everything. So anyway, going to settle down now and enjoy some knitting time.